To set the time and date on the GM-110, well, it's done like this. In the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button until set appears and then it stops. So when the Tokyo appears on the upper screen, let me show that again to you, you can stop. So press and hold the adjust button and then release after hearing the beep. First in a row of time settings is the city code. As you can see, currently it's set to Tokyo, but you can use the reverse and the forward button over here to shuffle or rotate the time zones. By pressing the upper right button, I'm going around the circle, or the lower button, I'm going around the circle with the cities. Each city represents the time zone. I'm gonna find my time zone, and that is the Paris. Madrid, Paris, and there it is. Once I found my time zone, I can switch to the another setting, and that's done by pressing the mode button over here. And when I press the mode button, you can see the off is blinking. I'm gonna find the screen for you to better see it, and I believe you can read this one better than this one. So currently it's blinking off at the upper screen, and that is the daylight saving time option. How to turn it on or off? By pressing the forward button over here. I'm switching between on or off. So currently on my time zone, daylight saving time is on. By pressing the mode button, I go to 12 or 24-hour time format, and you can see it's blinking over there. By pressing the mode button, I'm switching to 24-hour time format. Again, by pressing the mode button, I go to the setting the seconds value, and that's over here, and you can see it blinking. But I cannot set the exact value of seconds. Only thing I can do is reset the value using the forward button. Next press of the mode button gets us to setting the hour value, and you can increase or decrease the value of the hours by pressing the forward or release button. But currently in my time zone it's 23 o'clock, and there's no need for me to switch or increase or decrease the value of hours. Next press of the mode button gets us to minute value, and that is the procedure is exactly the same. Pressing the forward or reverse button, it will increase or decrease the value of seconds. Next press gets us to setting the year, and you can see the upper screen is blinking. That means that I can set the value of year. A procedure is the same. Pressing the reverse or forward button, you can increase or decrease the value of year. Next press, setting the month. It's September 9th month of the year, and I'm gonna leave it at that. Next press of the mode button switches us to setting the day value. Day value, increase or decrease, again the same. Next press of the mode button gets us to button operation tone. Now the key that's written on the upper digital display means that the button operation tone is on, but I can switch it off, and when I switch it off, you can see that the mute section over here on this small digital screen is lit up, and when I press it again, it will turn off, and the key will be written on the upper digital display. Next press is the illumination duration of the light, and you can toggle between the 1.5 seconds, and that the 1 stands for 1.5 seconds, and number 3, which stands for 3 seconds, and that is refers to the how much will this LED over here light up when I press the illumination button. Next press of the mode button gets us back to the beginning of the settings that we currently ran through, and once you're done with all of your settings and you have set your watch to the parameters you want, simply pressing the adjust button will apply all those settings, and the analog hands will correspond to the digital display. So currently it's 23:58, or almost 12 at midnight, and let's see if the hands will align. And yes, they align. And with that, setting the time and date and setting all the values of this watch is done. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more watch content. Thanks.